The next is to modify the sliding images here. And apparently this sliding image section adds an appealing quality to the website where people can at a glance find out some interesting things about the online store and what you have to offer. So how can we modify this section? We have to go to the dashboard and do it at the slider revolution. So we go to the dashboard and click on slider revolution. And scrolling down, we see our sliders available that we can make changes to. Recall that the home page we chose was Home version 3. So this is the slider for it, Home version 3 slider. So depending on the type of home page that you chose, you can have its corresponding slider here and make changes to. Other sliders are located on the second page, which you can also navigate to that place to check out those available. In any case, you can still change which type of slider is located here. When you activate your Elementor page builder, you can select a different slider, which you can also ultimately edit that slider at the slider revolution section here. So let's edit the Home version 3 slider. You click on edit and the contents are loading. So we can see clearly that what we have here is just what is on the home page here. So we can easily modify it. It can be seen from this slider that it is made up of about 3 different elements. We have this particular section, which is the image of a product, and we have some text here to modify. Then also the last thing to modify is the background color. So let's start with the image. You can single click on the image and choose media library on the right hand side here, so that you'll be able to choose a different image to replace what is there. Or better still, you can just double click on the image here and it will open the media library to select which image you want to feature on that slider. So looking through your products, you select a product that you want to keep there. So let's say that I want to keep this product up there. Then I can have some text at the right hand side here. Click on the text here and you'll be able to find the content on the right hand side here so that you can modify. So let's say that I want to type something like up to 40% off. Then the next thing to also add probably will be shop now. The next text available is this. So if you have something else you wish to add, you can do so. Otherwise, you can simply get rid of it by right clicking on it and selecting delete. So aside the fact that we would display this as a form of advertisement, we want our customers to take actions around these adverts. So they've seen that there is an item listed here which has been reduced. So most people would like to start shopping or start placing an order for this product right away. And we have to be able to make it easy for them to do so. Hence, we have to make all these areas clickable so that the moment they click on it, it will take them to the corresponding page where they can order this product. So it means that all these elements we can add links which can be clicked by them. So let's start with this test. So if you just click on the test, we see actions that are available on the right hand side here. And here we are going to choose actions. And specifically we are going to use simple link. So click on that and this place will allow us to enter that particular link. That is the complete URL. For instance, we want people to buy this particular product or products that are in the same category as this particular one. Let's go back to our store, try to find this product. So it is this product that has been featured there. So let's open the link of this product in the new tab. And now you can see the link. You can just copy the whole link and paste it here and leave all the other settings by default. Then we can save it. We can do the same for the picture itself, since some of them might click on the picture expecting it to open a link. So we can do the same thing for this. Add an action to it. Simple click. Enter the link here and save it. Another option we may choose is that Having identified that this product, men's waistcoat, is under the category waistcoats, we can choose to feature the entire category so that when someone clicks on this area, it takes the person to the entire category. So whichever one we deem appropriate, we should do just that. So let's get back here, or we can equally go to slides and choose the second slide. This second slide apparently is the one that is here, second slide on the home page. So we do the same thing. We select a product, we change the text, add some call to action links to it, and we save it. So image first, double click on it. So here, apart from choosing a pre-existing image from the library, you can equally upload a new image by just dragging and dropping it here, or uploading by selecting the file here. So let's say that I already have that image and I want to add it. You click on the text and edit it, and here I can type something like men's shirts below $20, and I can add something like shop now. And the next thing to do is to add the links. I can decide to add it to only the shop now or the whole thing. So you click on that text you want to use. Having selected that as a layer, you go to actions, simple click, and enter your link URL. In the same way, for shirts, I can go to the shirt category here or the shirt category here, and then find the link of that and use it there. Or specifically, I can feature only that particular shirt, in which case it is this one. So I can open this one, and once the link is generated, I can copy that link and paste it in there. Then I would save the changes. You can follow the same procedure for any other thing that you want to use. So having done all these modifications, let's have a look at our website and see whether the changes have been successful. So we go to the home page and we see our sliding images right here, and the other one is equally here. In fact, we can add as many sliders as we can. So let's see whether the actions are going to work. So if we click on this, is it going to lead us to the category we added through the link? Yes, it has led us there, indicating that we have succeeded in what we wanted to do. So follow the same procedure and customize your site beautifully just as you want it.